How to allow Smart View to mirror your screen on Chromecast devices on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Next, we then go down and tap on Connected Devices. After that, scroll down and then tap on Smart View. Then tap on the More button and tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Labs. And from here, tap on Chromecast Support. Tap on the toggle button to turn on or switch off Chromecast support. Once this is turned on, your Smart View can mirror your screen to Chromecast device. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.